Notable positive signals in the current crypto market in recent days. The crypto market has started to form a picture that hasn't been seen for a long time. When price action, institutional flows, and on-chain data are analyzed together, a clear improvement in overall market sentiment stands out. First, let's look at prices. After the recent pullback, Bitcoin and Ethereum have entered a recovery phase. Bitcoin is holding above the $78,000 range, while Ethereum has regained strength above the $2,300 level. This rise is not limited to major coins only. Green screens are becoming common across DeFi, Layer 2, and decentralized exchange projects as well. There is especially notable activity on the DeFi side. Data from the last 24 hours points to a recovery of over 3% across the sector. In some projects, this figure is much higher. This shows that the move is not purely speculative, but supported by increased usage and volume. On the institutional front, there is another important signal. Net inflows into Bitcoin spot ETFs have started again. At the same time, accumulation on the Ethereum side is also increasing. This weakens the concern that institutions have completely exited the market. Moreover, it's not just ETFs. Infrastructure-focused crypto firms such as Talos and Mesh receiving new investments at high valuations indicate that venture capital still has confidence in the space. A similar picture appears on the new projects front. Some ecosystems that stand out with developer interest and technical upgrades have experienced strong rallies in a short time. The key point here is that price increases are coming alongside rising usage and growing open interest. In other words, it's not just hype, there is real activity on the infrastructure side as well. On the legal and regulatory side, XRP is going through a positive period. One more of the long-running lawsuits being resolved in Ripple's favor has slightly reduced uncertainty. In addition, a major financial group in Japan expanding staking and lending services for many large coins, especially BTC and XRP, is strengthening institutional interest from Asia. The meme coin market is also showing signs of revival. Certain announcements around Dogecoin have created short-term momentum. Overall, the total market value of meme coins has been trending upward in recent days. This can be read as an indirect signal that risk appetite in the market is increasing. Finally, seasonality data is worth mentioning. Looking at past years, Bitcoin has statistically shown stronger performance in the second half of February. Of course, this is not a guarantee, but when combined with ETF inflows, institutional interest, and market psychology, these figures become more meaningful. Overall, even though short-term volatility may continue, when price action, institutional flows, legal developments, and ecosystem investments are evaluated together, it can be said that a clearly positive foundation has formed in the crypto market in recent days.